Hello everyone, good morning. This is me, Manya Gupta, your tech host. Bulletin of the day starts with SoftBank's ambitious bet, becoming the world's first artificial superintelligence platform. India leads the world in AI adoption, but workers worry about jobs. Amazon GenAI Shakeup, key AWS leader exits amid talent wars. Google Photos gets smarter with Ask Photos, AI-powered Gemini search tool. Micron delivers strong Q3 earnings driven by AI memory demand. Microsoft brings back the dreaded BSOD in Windows Update, gone wrong, and finally about Amazon Ring cameras which get AI video summaries for smarter home security. So in yesterday's quiz, we asked you, what is the shortcut for copy? And the answer is Control plus C. Now it's time for a daily tech question. Here's the one today. What is the name of first decentralized cryptocurrency? Confident you got the answer? Drop your guess in the comments below. Tune in to tomorrow's bulletin to find out if you nailed it. Starting with the news section, SoftBank has declared its vision to become a global leader in artificial superintelligence, aiming to leapfrog beyond current AI capabilities and enter a new frontier. The Japanese conglomerate, under the leadership of Masayoshi Son, is steering its investment and research capabilities towards building platforms that can support and eventually host ASI, AI that is smarter than the collective human intellect. This vision isn't just rhetorical. SoftBank is restructuring its business focus, consolidating the AI resources, and exploring partnerships which can drive this moonshot ambition. The company believes that the artificial general intelligence is a transitional phase and the real disruption will come when AI moves from general to super intelligent, offering problem solving capabilities beyond human comprehension. The statement has sparked a fresh wave of interest and skepticism as ASI remains largely theoretical and fraught with ethical and safety considerations. Moving on, India has emerged as the global frontrunner in AI adoption, with a staggering 92% of surveyed users actively engaging with AI tools regularly. This booming usage rate puts India ahead of US, China, and other economies in terms of everyday AI interaction. So, whether it is for education, workplace automation, or creative tasks, Indians are leveraging Gen AI like never before. This trend is partly driven by the country's youthful population, increasing internet penetration, and tech savvy urban centers which quickly adopt the digital innovation. However, behind this surge lies a shadow of anxiety. A significant portion of Indian workers, especially in tech and service sectors, they are increasingly concerned about AI replacing human jobs. Many are already experiencing impact: automation tools handling customer service, chatbots replacing entry level communication roles, and AI code generators changing how development teams operate. Now, the Amazon Web Services, which is AWS, it is witnessing a significant leadership transition as one of its key generative AI executives steps down, marking another twist in the ongoing tech talent reshuffle across AI industry. The departure reflects highly competitive environment major tech companies are operating in, and particularly in the race to dominate the Gen AI space. This shakeup comes at a crucial time when AWS is aggressively investing in cloud-based AI models, aiming to nine Microsoft's Azure and Google Cloud. The exit is raising questions internally, externally about AWS strategy for scaling the foundation models and infrastructure offerings. The executive, reportedly instrumental in guiding AI strategy within AWS, was involved in several flagship AI programs and innovations which supported enterprise-level deployments. This change also reflects the broader pattern of top AI experts moving across companies driven by better opportunities, more research freedom, or a desire to shape the future of artificial intelligence from a different seat. Now, Google is rolling out a new AI-powered feature with its Photos app called Ask Photos, which brings the power of Gemini to users' image libraries. The tool will allow users to ask natural language questions like, "What's my license plate number?" or "Show me photos from a beach trip last summer," and receive instant accurate results. The feature represents a significant leap in photo management and moving away from simple keyword search into realm of conversational AI. Powered by Google's Gemini large language model, this tool understands context, filter metadata, and even analyze image content to deliver meaningful results. Beyond convenience, this development raises the bar for personal data management and search functionality within everyday apps. The system is also designed to keep user privacy intact with on-device processing and opt-in controls. However, users should be aware that greater intelligence in search capabilities means deeper AI insight into digital footprint. Let us talk about Micron Technology, which has reported a strong third fiscal quarter, surpassing Wall Street expectations with robust earnings and an optimistic outlook. The company attributes this momentum to the rising demand for high-performance memory chips used in artificial intelligence applications. So, as data centers and AI developers clamor for more powerful, efficient DRAM and NAND solutions, Micron finds itself in a sweet spot with the hardware supply chain. Notably, the demand for high bandwidth memory, critical for training large language models, has surged, and Micron is expanding production to meet this global need. The earnings report highlighted a revenue jump, improved gross margins, and a projection that future quarters could continue the upward trend as AI becomes further embedded in everything, from cloud services to edge computing. Investors respond positively, pushing Micron stock higher, further reinforcing semiconductor companies' pivotal role in this AI revolution. Well, now in bizarre turn of events, Microsoft users are once again facing the infamous blue screen of death. After a recent Windows update unintentionally reintroduced the long-dreaded system error screen. Users began reporting crashes across devices after installing the latest security update, which apparently conflict with some third-party drivers. The BSOD, a symbol of system failure that haunted Windows users for decades, has been replaced in recent years with a black screen as a part of Windows 11's more modern aesthetic. But this update has accidentally revived this predecessor, bringing back nostalgia and frustration in equal measure. So while Microsoft has acknowledged the issue, a permanent fix is still pending, and affected users are advised to uninstall the recent patch or use system restore if possible. The incident underscores a larger problem with rolling updates and compatibility issues in complex Windows environments, particularly those involving customer drivers, security software, and enterprise configuration. Last but not the least, Amazon's Ring security cameras, they are getting a powerful upgrade, AI-generated video summaries. This new feature uses machine learning to create concise descriptions of what happens in each video clip, making it easier for users to understand incidents without watching hours of footage. For example, instead of just labeling a video as motion detected, Ring can now generate a line like a person walked up to the front porch and rang the doorbell. Now, this update not only improves user experience but also brings smart home surveillance one step closer to autonomous awareness. The feature will initially roll out on select Ring camera models with plans to expand across more devices in the coming months. For busy homeowners, this means quicker decision making during potential security incidents and more effective reviewing of the alerts. Privacy remains a concern, as always, with surveillance devices, and Amazon claims that summaries are processed securely. But it also opens discussion about how much AI should interpret and summarize the human activity even in private property context. Overall, move reinforces Amazon's intent to lead in smart home innovation by weaving AI into everyday functionality. This was all for today's bulletin. I'll again meet you tomorrow. Till then, stay safe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe IT Voice for all your tech updates. Thank you.